Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is a body scan meditation for voice users. So get comfortable in a chair where you're sitting straight up, lay down flat on your back, sit cross-legged, anything that feels comfortable for you. Leave your hands open, touching your legs. And wherever you are, just take a good breath in and out. And then close your eyes. So first, just pay attention to your body in this space. Just bring your awareness to your feet on the ground, or your legs against the chair, or the floor you're sitting on. Bring your attention to your shoulders, if they're hiked up close to your ears, or if they're relaxed. And then just bring your attention to the center of your body and your breath. So just follow along with your body as you expand and contract your belly. This breath is the source of power for your voice. So finding a natural, easy breath, flowing in and out, never stopping, is going to help support your voice. So imagine this cycle of air in and out. You might feel momentary pauses as you get to the top of your breath in or the bottom of your breath out. But become aware if you are holding your breath, squeezing muscles to hold your breath in between breathing in and out. If you are noticing that you're holding your breath, let that go. And just come back to that circle of air, that cycle of breath. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine there is some energy, a ball of energy up above your head. See if that can bring you a little taller. Energy just circling on the top of your head. And let that energy come down onto the top of your head. Spill down around your eyes and relax the muscles, closing your eyes. Relax the muscles in your cheeks and in your jaw. Bring that energy into your neck. You can move your neck slightly, make sure your neck is flexible. Bring that energy down into the shoulders. Make sure your shoulders are hanging heavy at your sides. And then notice your arms, the upper arm, the forearm, and your hands. Notice the weight of your arms or your hands on your legs or against the ground. And bring your attention up to your chest. Bring your attention down your chest to your belly as we focus again on the breath. Take 3 breaths in and out. Now take 1 more breath and imagine your hips filling up with air as you breathe in. Feel the connection between your hips and the chair, the floor. Feel the expansion in your back. Then bring that energy attention to your hips, down into your thighs, down into your shins and your calves, and then feel the connection between your feet and the floor. And notice every single one of your toes. Now imagine this energy flowing all through your body, relaxing every muscle in your body. Bring your attention to your breath, the power of your voice. Bring your attention to your throat, the source of your voice. Bring your attention to your jaw, your mouth, the filter of your voice. And imagine your voice effortlessly moving through your body. Imagine your voice coming through your body and emerging exactly as you want to hear it. Imagine the ease of your voice. How do you feel imagining this ease? Bring your attention back to your breath for 3 breaths. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel relaxed and ready to use your voice.